This is Punkin. Punkin is my 1968 International Fleetstar 2000 dump truck. Punkin's been working pretty hard lately. Been hauling wood. We've hauled several loads of firewood. Been cutting it up here, splitting it, and we've been putting it in the bucket of El Monstro, and when the bucket's full, lift it up and dump it in the box of Punkin, and then haul it to the house. Punkin sat for about 15 years while I was out of town, mostly out of the country. It sat there neglected for many, many years. And I finally came back and had to start making firewood. And I think the most efficient way for me to cut and produce the firewood is to drag it up with my skidder. Drag it up here to the skidway, cut it into blocks of wood, split the blocks of wood, and load them, then haul them back. Then all I gotta do is pile them at the house. Piece of cake. So I'm getting it pretty much wrapped up. Been a lot of work, been a pretty big push, but I see the light at the end of the tunnel. The skidway's all cleaned up here, just that little bit in the box of El Monstro. I got a few more blocks down on the corner over there. They're all cut, just need to be split and put in the back of Punkin. Haul them to the house and then pile.